guys, so today for science, we will be making elephant's toothpaste in my backyard.
And I'm Gavin's dad, Ryan, and I am here to help with the experiment today because this is not an experiment we should try at home. It creates a chemical reaction. Now, chemicals make up pretty much everything you ever see in the world around you, including yourself. But some chemicals react in ways that are a little bit dangerous. And what's interesting is this one doesn't really. This is a chemical reaction, and what it makes is water, not dangerous, and oxygen, not dangerous in the amounts that we're going to use. But the ingredients that we use to make it are poisonous when we use too much. We're going to use hydrogen peroxide, which we use to clean things, but we don't want to drink it. And we're using potassium iodide, which is made of potassium, which your body needs. We find it in bananas and other foods, but bananas have a lot. And iodine, which your body also needs. But we're going to use way too much for your body to process, and it's very poisonous. And the chemical reaction, like a lot of chemical reactions, also makes something else: heat. And we all know heat can be dangerous. But with a grown-up, it can be a lot of fun. So let's do it. What does not react with each other is the dish soap and the hydrogen peroxide. So everything, this is lab-grade hydrogen peroxide, so it's for adults to handle
It's gonna
only.
be 15 times the size of the last time.
I'm gonna make this really,
Way big.
really very big.
Oh,
So this is safe this is not going to react to anything by itself. It doesn't react to the air. It doesn't explode in water like sodium or cesium. And it doesn't react to soap. So this is the one thing, you want to squirt this in, bud? This is the one thing that'd be nice.
so how much?
Put in a good amount. Like, don't put, obviously not the entire thing, but
I know.
the soap's not going to make it dangerous. It's just going to make it really bubbly.
Okay, yeah, that's about good.
Okay? And you want to stir it up?
Oh yeah, sure.
So look, we're putting, this is lab grade hydrogen peroxide. Don't fly it in your hands.
So
Again, it's not going to hurt you. You just really want to wash it. So it's going to make a big reaction. Now, are you ready?
yes.
Yeah. So get in the frame for a second. Say you're ready, and then get far away.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Far away. See, I've got my eye protection.
Yeah.
These are
Go, go, go.
okay. So
Drop it
I'm going to
in
pour it all in. I'm shaking it up.
Drop in one.
Oh yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
3. Ooh, let's do a count.
3, 2, 1. 1. Wait, what? What's happening?
It's happening. No,
Oh!
it's happening.
Oh.
I can see it. Oh wait.
It's
7.
It doesn't explode. It grows.
Yeah.
And in fact, it kind of clumped up. So I want to mix it.
Watch out.
It doesn't
Oh
explode.
my god.
Elephant toothpaste doesn't explode, but mixed
Oh, it's
ingredients.
coming out. This is going to be big. Well, not that big.
It's not a. So
I wish
it's
it
not
was
an explosive,
explosion. Oh!
but
Yeah, that's big now.
it's gonna keep growing. Now, don't touch the stuff. Touch the edge of the bowl. Touch the edge of the bowl and tell me what you feel.
Oh wait, how?
Does anyone want to touch the edge of the bowl?
It's actually a little bit hot.
Is it?
Yeah. The edge of the bowl is hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
So it's called an
Oh my god!
it's an exothermic chemical reaction.
Oh gosh.
It generates heat.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it is hot.
It's like quite hot.
Yeah.
Like you can't hold your hand. It's like a cup of tea. You couldn't hold your hand on it without hurting yourself if you held it for like a minute. It's not dangerous. but quite hot. There's another thing called devil's toothpaste, which we're definitely not allowed to make
And it
for a school
explodes.
project.
It's so dangerous that even Mark won't even tell us how to make it.
Exactly. You'd have to look it up on places kids shouldn't go on the internet.
Yeah, it literally can break glass.
Wow.
So, what did we learn today? Not just that science can be fun, but science really helps us be really smart about very important things. So, we learned that chemicals can create new things. We didn't just make foam. What we did is we literally created oxygen and water. We made water. And chemical reactions can also create heat. In fact, other chemical reactions can take heat away. So, what makes it dangerous? Why do we need an adult? First, we're making heat. Heat can be dangerous, but the ingredients are also poisonous. Even though tiny amounts of these ingredients are not just good for us, but with hydrogen peroxide, our own body makes it. There's a thing we have in medicine called the dose makes the poison. Too much of literally anything can be very bad for you. Even something that's good for you, like water. But something like water takes so much to be bad for you, while a lot of things only take a very small amount. So iodine is really good and necessary for your body. But in this experiment, we used 300,000 times too much iodine to be good for your body. That's like saying, boy, a glass of water is really good for me, so I'm going to drink an entire swimming pool. And now you know. And as we used to say when I was a kid, knowing is half the battle.
So I hope you liked today's video, and I hope it was a cool one. Bye!